We are looking at solid ice. So water is a solid temperature. It's being heated at 550. So you're starting to see some liquid form at the bottom. I'm hoping you can identify what phase change is going on. We'll come back to that. In the next one, we're going to take the initial temp, see what it looks like in here. This is water that has been chilled in ice. So we're going to wait till it reaches its stabilizing temperature. And then the last, we're looking at boiling water. And you'll see its temperature stabilize here soon. But we're keeping track of what does it look like through time as it's being heated. What's going to happen to the temperature? So we're at 99 about there. Okay, now we're going to come back. This is stabilized at about 2.1 to 2. So we're going to put that on the heat. So we have three scenarios. We have solid ice, which will be checked back. It's about 0.3 now. Lots of water. So I'm going to shuffle this around and hopefully get the ice to stay packed against the thermometer. Okay. We have cold water, which started at 2.1. We're at 3, 3.3, 3.7. We have the boiling water, which is staying relatively close to 99. Right? So it's been about a minute. You can see there hasn't been a great change in the boiling water. As we go back down, already for the ice cold water, increased 8 degrees. And if we go over to the ice, still below 1 degree. So if you notice down here, almost, I would say over half of the ice is gone. I'll pack that around. So we're just going to keep videoing for the next 2 minutes or so, I would say, until all of the ice is gone, and check in on the temperatures. So boiling, still about the same temperature, as long as we can see that. Remember, the last digit on these, this has been an issue, is a decimal point. So it's not 990 degrees, this is not 223 degrees, it's 22.7, and you can see the change. There should be a much different observation. Whoop. We can see now though what happened at the bottom. If you notice, there's really, the thermometer is not touching the ice anymore, it's touching the liquid. All right, almost all of that ice has melted. Rapid change in the liquid, no change in the boiling.